Hi, as a health reporter, I must highlight the importance of healthy habits in our daily lives. People should eat more fruits and vegetables, drink enough water, and exercise regularly to stay fit. But what can we do when we feel too busy or tired? We can start with small changes like walking instead of driving short distances or choosing water over soda. Everyone can improve their lifestyle if they try.